Introduction. Hello friends. Welcome back to English Yard. Today, we will learn English through the story of a very famous book, Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book is about how small habits can create big changes in our lives. Let's discover the main ideas together. Small habits create big change. James Clear says, big change starts with small habits. Imagine you brush your teeth every day. It is a very small action. But after 1 year, your teeth are strong and healthy. Habits are like drops of water. One drop looks small, but many drops make a river. In the same way, one small habit looks weak, but many habits can change your life. The power of the 1% rule. If you get 1% better every day, you will be much stronger after 1 year. Imagine you learn just one new English word each day. After 1 year, you know 365 new words. At first, progress feels invisible. But like a snowball rolling down a hill, it becomes bigger and faster with time. Habits are like seeds. Think about a small seed. When you plant it in the ground, nothing happens in 1 day. You water it, you give it sun, and after some weeks it grows into a small plant. After months or years, it becomes a big tree. Habits are the same. You don't see results today, but after months and years, the results are powerful. The ice cube story. James Clear gives an example with an ice cube. Imagine a room is cold, 0 degrees, 1 degree, 2 degrees. The ice cube is still solid. At 31 degrees, it is still ice. But when the room changes to 32 degrees, suddenly the ice begins to melt. This shows that progress is invisible until a breakthrough happens. One small change can unlock big results. Focus on identity, not just goals. Many people say, I want to run, or I want to read. But James Clear teaches, don't focus only on goals. Focus on your identity. Say, I am a runner. Say, I am a reader. When you believe in your identity, the habit becomes natural. If you believe you are a healthy person, you will choose healthy food. If you believe you are a student, you will study more. Systems are more important than goals. Goals are about results. Systems are about the process. Your goal may be to write a book, but your system is to write 1 page every day. Your goal may be to learn English, but your system is to practice English 20 minutes every day. Goals give direction. Systems give progress. When you build good systems, success will come automatically. Conclusion and lesson. So friends, what do we learn from Atomic Habits? Small habits create big change. 1% progress every day makes a huge difference. Identity is stronger than goals. Systems are more powerful than dreams. Environment helps shape your habits. This is the wisdom of Atomic Habits by James Clear. Thank you for learning English with this story today. See you in the next video here on English Yard.